Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Hey, I'm not doing any cooking on this video, guys, but I do have a couple questions that I want to ask you. I had some suggestions from some folks that's been helping me out. Dee Nimmin, Dee Nimmin. But Dee suggested, and I want you guys to comment below. Leave it in the comments. Tell me what you think. Email me. I don't care. Just get a hold of me and let me know. He wants me to change my name because he thought it'd be good to Heavy Metal Chef. Now, do we leave it the Reaper777, which I've already got my cars all branded with Reaper777, or do we go ahead and go with the Heavy Metal Chef? Or just Heavy Metal Chef? A comment below. But anyway, guys, getting ready to start doing some kitchen remodel. And I just got one of the first pieces today. And I figure, what better time than to show you guys. We're going to open this up together. I opened the box because I couldn't get it out. So we're just, I want you guys to let me know what you think because they got a lot more stuff coming as well. This is called the Warrior Soul. It is one of the new Reapers that I'm actually going to put in the kitchen. I'm thinking maybe right over here or up here. But I'm going to go with like a crimson red. But I got a lot more Reaper stuff coming, guys. You guys are going to like it. It's exciting. But I know this is a little off the wall video from the Reaper. But I had to get you guys' input. So, leave it in the comment section. Heavy Metal Chef or the Reaper777. And look, people brought me gifts today. Carolina Reapers. It's getting close to chili season, guys. And I already have a chili recipe in my video library, our video library, and it's award-winning. But also, I got some hot pepper relish. Man, this stuff goes good on about anything. But we're gonna go with a Reaper-themed kitchen. Red. And this is just one of the pieces of many. And I'll keep you guys updated. But remember, let me know what you think. Comment, subscribe, share. And don't forget, we love you guys. God bless. And we'll have a video coming out this weekend for you guys. Alright? But thanks for being with a Reaper, your Heavy Metal Chef. You guys have a nice evening.